Patrick at Pals. We're coming back to the Montclair. Just wanted to show you, Chuck has laid out the brackets for the compressor.
And as you can see, these brackets that we got through the company that we deal with, they are precision cut. So when we modify this and put it on the car, it looks like it belongs there.
And look at your instructions. What's those instructions say? 56 to 7 Thunderbird. But yet, we're going to use that on the Montclair.
It's essentially the same car, Patrick. If this was a T-Bird, the only thing that would be different is the sheet metal. The engine and the platform are all the same, and that's why we know this kit will fit this car so that we can provide that customer with seamless air conditioning, which, boy, you sure need in Florida.
Well, folks, if you want a good installation, actually a great installation, on a vintage car with air conditioning, bring it to Pals.
We hope to see you soon and keep you cool with the hot Florida sun.